A normal magnet can move metal. A magnetar, its magnetic field can distort matter itself. If one came halfway to the moon, it could rip electrons from atoms. Matter would literally come apart. And now, that monster is our sun. Earth is blasted by magnetic storms, billions of times stronger than anything in history. Satellites die first, then power grids, then every electronic system on Earth. Civilization shuts off in seconds. But this is only the beginning. But the terrifying part isn't the radiation. It's what happens after. Because oceans boil, the atmosphere tears apart, and time itself may feel broken. This is what would happen if the sun became a magnetar. First, impossible things begin. The sun starts collapsing. Its core compresses. Temperatures surge. Gravity intensifies. Then, the star crushes into a city-sized sphere, just 20 kilometers wide, but containing more mass than our entire sun. A magnetar is born, and the solar system enters nightmare mode. Magnetars unleash giant flares, starquakes, explosions so violent they can be detected across galaxies. One famous flare in 2004 briefly altered Earth's atmosphere from 50,000 light-years away. Now imagine one next door. The flare arrives. Gamma rays hit Earth. The ozone layer burns away. The sky glows. Then ultraviolet radiation floods the planet. Life on the surface starts dying. But Earth has a worse problem. It may lose the sun's warmth forever. A magnetar's crust can crack. When it does, it releases energy beyond imagination. A stellar earthquake. The blast may dwarf anything humanity has ever known. Space around the star trembles. Radiation floods outward. If Earth survives until now, this may finish it. But there's one final question. Could humans escape? Underground cities? Maybe briefly. Mars colonies? Likely doomed. Escape to another star? Impossible in time. A magnetar sun doesn't give humanity centuries. It gives panic, then silence. Unless we become interstellar long before this nightmare. But there's a twist. Our sun can't actually become a magnetar. At least, not naturally. Magnetars come from stars far more massive than our sun. Our star is too small. It will die as a white dwarf, not a magnetar. So this apocalypse won't happen. But somewhere in the universe, real planets may orbit stars like these. Worlds living beside monsters. And if life exists there, what must their skies look like?